We've got some very exciting news that we've been waiting almost 2 years to share with you. Finally, after a lot of effort and hard work, we're ready to unveil our latest invention. The brand new app from the School of Life. We've asked a lot of you what you wanted from an app from us, and you've told us. So we've gone and built it for you. This is the best of the School of Life, in your pocket, anywhere, anytime, filled with all the wisdom, playfulness, and insight you've come to expect from us. Think of our app as like your own personal therapist, always on hand, giving you guidance, inspiration, daily quotes, videos, and the best ideas for making sense of yourself and the world. Even better, the more you use the app, the more it gets to know you, so that it will be on hand with just the right bit of helpful information whenever you need it most. Apologies for bragging a bit, it's not our normal style. But we can't help but be proud of what we've done, and we really hope you'll enjoy our app as much as we do. Please follow the links below to find out more, and give it a go on your phone, available on iOS and Android. We don't think you'll regret it.